Ladies and gentlemen, have you ever wanted to have soft and lovely skin just like me? Well, I'm going to show you how to do it, and also on a budget. What happened was I got tired of getting ripped off. I would go to the dermatologist and they would say, oh, you need to go to, so where I am, there's these fancy, there's like the regular pharmacies, and then there's these like fancy rich people pharmacies for like these glamorous women who spend other people's money. I don't know, because you go in there and like a little tube of something is $80, right? And so they told me to buy this stuff from France, this Urea, it's basically 20% ureic acid. And I said, okay, wait a minute. I took chemistry and I'm no chemist, but I also know a little bit about agriculture, and urea is it's actually an ingredient that's in pea, if you want to be honest. But anyway, it's full of nitrogen, and it's something that we use if you have a farm, or if you have a garden, or if you have a lawn. It's what you put out there. And so like right here, I have some pure urea. And this urea, you can buy a 50-pound bag of it or a 25-kilogram bag of it at the garden store or the agricultural supply. And a 50-pound bag, I mean, you can actually get truckloads of it if you have like a real farm. But it costs, I don't know, about, where I am, about $60 or $70 for 50 pounds of it, right? But this little thing right here is like $50 for a little tube of it, and it's 20% urea. Okay, now the rest you've got to have some kind of lotion base to put it in. And what I did is I went out and I got some lotion, grocery store lotion. Get a nice brand that you like, but make sure it does not have carbomer in it, at least for what we're going to do. You can put carbomer, and you can use, if you're just going to do urea, you can do that. But what we're going to do today is we're going to mix lactic acid, which I have right here. I have some pure lactic acid. Okay, I just bought it off of Amazon. It's a little bit harder to find than urea, but you can order it. It's not a controlled substance or anything like that. If they say it's ammonium lactate, that's okay. That's like the chemical salt of the acid itself, which I think is a little bit more stable. Then we've got some urea, right? So I measured it out so we can have about 12% of each. So this is, so we have 1 kilogram of lotion, 1,000 grams. So I've got 120 grams of urea, and then I've got 120 grams of lactic acid right here. I also have that we're going to use for fragrance. It's also a good like skin. It's kind of has antimicrobial qualities, and I mean, it has a strong smell, but I like mint. So what I have right here is some menthol crystals. Okay, menthol, of course, comes from the mint plant, and it is, well, it's where you get mint flavor from. But it's also, for example, in Vicks Vapor Rub, or like they say in Latin America, Beat Baparu. But anyway, so this is what we have here. I also have some methyl salicylate, wintergreen. I like the smell of it. It's very strong. Some people can't stand it, but it's that smell. Like in the States, you have that cream Bengay that people put on like after they work out. That's basically methyl salicylate is what that is. Wintergreen is what that's called. So we're going to mix everything together and then try to get it back into the tube here. And to get it back in the tube, I just went and got at the dollar store, a cake, like you put icing in this thing. I washed it first, but this is what you use when you're going to decorate a cake or something. But this is just an easy aid to get it back into the container. So we're going to mix everything together. Really simple. Stick one to them, and these like stores where they sell you these cosmetics and some things, of course, are complex and this and that, but a lot of these things that they're selling you are really simple. And they just repackage something and then charge you $1 zillion for it. And what they do is they put it in an elegant package, or they put it in a mall in a rich neighborhood or something like that, and tell you it's going to be, beauty is expensive. And so you must spend $50 for this little tiny tube of 20% urea, which is this, you can buy it by the truckload, literally. And it's pure. It's not like, oh, well, this must be from the rich people store. It must be like a super pure. No, it's from the same damn place, really. Okay. So anyway, we'll mix everything together and then squirt it back into the tube. Now we've got everything mixed together. What's going to happen is you're still going to have like granules in here, but of mostly the menthol, but then also the urea. But that's going to slowly dissolve, and so you don't really have to worry about it. So now what we're going to do is we're going to try to fill this, see how we do here. Okay, so I'm going to open this up, and there we go. I'm going to put it into a different container. That way we can be a little bit more efficient, I think, as we do this. So let me see here. We've got a beaker, a good laboratory beaker. All right, let's hope I don't make a mess here. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so I'm just cleaning off the extra little drops of spill that we have here, and it's that simple. So you can save yourself $1 zillion, or pesos, or reales, or cordobas, just by getting your urea from the garden store, from the agricultural supply, and instead of from the fancy mall. Now, some people are like, you're crazy, and that's fine. I'll be crazy this way, but you can be crazy by spending 50 or 60 or 70 or $80 in a little tiny tube of just this plain old chemical right here that is pure, straight from the factory. We put it on our plants. Oh, it's dangerous. Maybe it's not the same as the one that they rip you off for $50. Well, what the hell are we put it on our plants that we eat. Okay, so there you go. Cheers. I'd love to hear your comments. Am I crazy? Am I a mad scientist, or really, I'm not a mad wannabe scientist, or just a lunatic? Let me know in the comments what you think. Am I going to kill myself doing this? Lauren, you're all wrong. You've got to go to the expensive store and buy the urea in the little pretty bottles where they have like all of the fancy lights. Tell me if I'm crazy. Tell me so. Or any other ideas. What would you like to see? Let me know. I just did this and wanted to share this with you. My wife thinks I'm crazy. Maybe you do too, right?